to delete a Viber message. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a message on Viber which is sent by mistake. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First thing first, open your Viber app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the Viber app, tap open to the chat from where you want to delete the message. Once you are inside the chat screen, long press the message that you want to remove. A menu will pop up. From here, tap onto the button called delete. Then a confirmation message will pop up on your screen asking you to confirm to delete. You have to click on delete from everyone. And that's it. This is how you can delete a chat on Viber. Whether it's a typo or a total regret, Viber makes it easy to take message back. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today and I'll see you in the next video.